Good evening. This is my pleasure to be here in a unique occasion. We have here with Mr. Vijay Kumar Raut, renowned grammarian of this region, and he is known as living dictionary of this area. Uh, we have a great pleasure to talk with Mr. Raut. Now I am asking some interesting fact about his career and how he became such a good grammarian. So my first question to Mr. Raut, uh, uh, why you are so interested to teaches to the students, particularly in grammar, not in other studies.
Good question. Before that, I have also introduced the present interlocutor, that is Mr. Vijay Kumar Kavi, director of one international animal organization, APA, and a topmost environmentalist. So, your question, to answer your question, there is no disputing about tests, or there is no wrangling over a test. Suppose somebody has that liking or aptitude for Rasgola and somebody has aptitude for other foods. So English has been my favorite one since my childhood.
You have written so many books, particularly on English grammar and vocabulary, starting from routes, so tense start to grammar police. So you are also publishing some book like spoken English, and you are the master of thousands of hundreds of thousands of students. You are getting particularly the how a rural students to speak in English in a globally forum. So you are always inspired for many students. So my question is, uh, what is the what is the gap? Uh, what is the gap, particularly the English learning in school and college syllabus, particularly?
Because since 50 to 60 years, the traditional system of English teaching is in prevalence, means in continuance. So nowadays, there is a gap when we were reading in the 70s. English was in an important position. After that, it has decreased because the pattern of teaching has been faulty to some extent, because some teachers are teaching translation method, GT method, grammar translation method as you call it, and apart from that, some few teachers are not so much interested or inspired to make the students what we want them to be. In this globalized world, English is absolutely necessary. I don't mean to say that teachers are not qualified or interested, because there is some gap, because the pattern or the method of teaching has been to some extent off the track. That is where the gap happens.
Good description. Another thing is you are famous for collecting so many interesting words, particularly in word of world. Uh, you are also discovering in phobia and words longest word. So please tell me, at least you have remember what's the longest word, please.
Okay. uh, in the 13th century, Aristophanes wrote a book, Assembly Women. In that book, he has mentioned the longest word, which contains 180 letters. That is Lopadoti, Makosela, Toga, Leoprano, Lipson, Driving Country, Mato, Silpio, Cairo, Galito, Catecas, Melpis, Lepicosi, Pocket Peristal, Electron, Teki, Valio, Clopilio, Lagusila, Opetra, Ganop, Telegon. That means simple, so it is. And also, I am telling you another word that is in the year 1964, it was created to be used in the English film that is Mary Poppins. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, that means excellent. And there is another, there are so many words. Autocide, defenestration, that means suicide by jumping out of the window. Another word is hexacosio, hexagonda, hexaphobia, that means fear of 666. There are also fear of long words, that is hypopotomonstrous, sesquipedalophobia. There are so many words. So I am a lover of words and I may call myself as a word only.
You are also collecting so many words like related to phobia. So, and many people, in many students and people also fear to English language particularly. So, please tell me if someone fear to English, what we can say?
Fear of English, that is Anglophobia. Fear of water, as you know, that is hydrophobia. Fear of 13 tiscadecaphobia. Fear of 13 parascabidecaphobia. Fear of death, that is thanatophobia. Fear of computers, logizomechanophobia. Fear of rejection, that is your trypanophobia. Fear of poverty, that is peniophobia. There are so many phobias. Fear of fear, that is homophobia. Fear of flood, that is your anthrophobia. Fear of men, that is aranphobia, or something like that. Fear of COVID-19, that is covidophobia. So there are so many words.
Well, you are well known as one engineer. So, in every time you form a word and giving a new names. So, my last question is what is your message towards the student community, particularly how we develop in our particular English language, which is globally required in every forum and every uh, desk. So, what is your message for the students?
Shakespeare has mentioned that words, words, words. In Hamlet, it has been mentioned. So words rule the world. One word is one idea. If you know a number of words that we can express ourselves in any part of the world, apart from this, be the master of words, and at the same time you have to be good human being with good humanitarianism, so the society will be drastically changed after some days. So education is absolutely necessary. It doesn't mean that being master of words we can change the world. Apart from that, you when words, know words, engineer words, be a good wordaholic to be a good human being. Apart from that, be a patriot, love the world, and stay competent in time to come. So this much message I would say.
Thank you so much giving us some time to your valuable time and giving message to us community students or particularly. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and thank you once again.